Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100 both traded with a modest bullish bias today. It is, see, US30 has achieved 34,400 levels, while US30 US 100 has got its resistance intact at 15,530 550 zone. Now, important day for US indices. We have CPI inflation coming in before the US cash session. Definitely it will bring volatility and choppiness in the markets, because the data is going to be closely watched by traders, as it is going to decide the next interest rate hike. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the second update for the. I always release the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Watch that update as well. Just press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel to get live notifications. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. See the rise, retracement, same zone, same level, 15,550. It failed to break pass by. Right now, it is getting the support at 15,500 and 470. These are the two levels Nasdaq 100 needs to break pass by. Below 470 is where the bears will take over towards 400 levels. Possibility exists that below 470, 400, 420 will be seen, and below 400 is where the bears will. I am still looking forward for it to move towards 300, 350 zone, but right now Nasdaq is not showing any signs of retracement. Now, if you look at hourly chart, see the rise here, reversal sign, then bearishness is continuing. Support is seen at 15,500, very good support at 15,500, then at 15,470, 480 zone. Thus, this zone I will watch out for how Nasdaq 100 behaves in this zone, and below that is where the bears will take over. See, it has seen strong bullish momentum so far, and it is right now taking the support from the 20 period moving average. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic looking downwards, staying bearish. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to now, look at 2 hour chart. See, preceding two candles, lower highs, lower lows. Thus, wait for it to break below. Again, the same zone exists. As long as US 100 stays within this zone, we have to be watchful. Now, if you connect the dots here, you'll find higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Thus, it also makes this zone as critical support zone, because below this is where the bears will completely take over. Be watchful, careful in this zone. Also, if you look at two red candles, one red candle, this candle is trying to pull it down. Possibly, we may see 15,470 achieving here. And see, moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. It can possibly try to converge here a bit. Stochastic looking down. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. See, its mouth is open and divergent. This suggests that it can possibly give more bearishness here. RSI looking down. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, this is equally important for it to break below 15,500 and then 470 levels. Prices are divergent from the 20 period. 20 period is sitting at 15,450, and yes, 15,400, 420. So yes, below 15,470, 450, 430, 400, very strong support exists as long as 15,400 is respected by Nasdaq 100 today. And if you look at the formation, you will find, see how it has behaved here. Again the rise, and again it can behave and break. So yes, this is the zone here at 300, 350, which it may try to achieve. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD has just crossed over, trying to trade with little bearishness. RSI is looking down as well. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. Rise, retracement, lower lows, rise, retracement, possibly this zone here, which is at 300, 350. Possibility is there. Nothing is sure in the markets. Everything is a probability here, and the one who has a better probability, who decides on a better probability, is the winner in the market. Thus, you have to choose your trades accordingly, and that is why these levels are important. At the same time, remember, the preceding candle is a swing candle with a bigger tail, with a bigger wick, suggests that yes, it traded bullish, but it has got its push on the top side. Yes, double top is also. Thus, a buying entry I will recommend is only above 15,550 levels. Beyond 15,550, US 100 might turn bullish here. Right now, it is looking downwards, and I will look forward for it to break a little on the downside. And then 400 levels might be seen, 400, 420, 450. Yes, stochastic overbought. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is near to overbought zone. Coming to the first important point today is the lower highs, which is seen in the preceding 3 candles here. This candle has already breached this. Second is it is opened almost flat, and if you notice, It has opened at the same level, so this probability for it to break on the downside exists for a while. Already it has formed a double top, so it can try to give you higher lows or lower lows as well. It can try to move towards this, that is higher lows, and show you the swings, or it can try to in fact break below this and move towards 300 350. That is the probability. So I'll be looking forward to a drop. If it stays below 15470, certainly the bears will take over, and at least 420 400 levels will be seen, and below 400 is where the bearishness will be observed. If you look at the movement here, see the rise, retracement, then a strong bullish candle, retracement, and it can give you third bullish candle if it breaks past 15550 levels here. Beyond that, directly we are going to look at 600 and 680 as the next targets here. But if you look at the moving averages are trading with divergence, and prices are too much divergent from the moving average. This calls for it to converge a bit. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 15470 and buy at 15550. For this 80 points, do not trade NASDAQ 100. Below 15470, we can expect 15420 400 as the first targets. And above, below 400, we can look forward to 300 350 zone, which is a greater support zone. On the upside, we can look forward to 15550 is the buying position there. Beyond that, certainly 15600 will get achieved, and beyond 600 it is going to stay bullish. Take your trades accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is starting on 28th of November. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy in order to identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can register by visiting my platform Forex on. And here on this platform, you will get much more. This is the tab where you get the details related to batch, the timing, the curriculum, the payments. You can book by paying here itself. Also, you can register for my webinar. And yes, if you want to look for the CPI data, you can search the economic calendar. Live data is available here. The markets, where you can find your favorite instrument, search for the chart, do your own analysis. You can also schedule a call with me, and you can also discuss with the traders in the communities tab. Thus, register by visiting the platform forexfunda.com, and if you want to join my Signals channel, reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Now, let's have a look at US. See, firstly, look at US30 on the early charts. What it has done, almost double top or lower highs are seen here. Lower highs, lower lows. Support is seen at 34,300, 320, which is a greater support zone. It is only below 34,300. You can say that US30 has turned bearish. Also, if you look at it, is taking the support from the 20 period moving average, which is proving out to be a great support at around 34 to 320 330 zone. Thus, if it stays below 300, you can certainly say that the prices are turning bearish. Stochastic looking downwards, trading bearish. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness here, looking downwards. RSI is also trying to indicate little bearishness here. Coming to 2 hour chart. Now, if you look at 2 hour chart, see, certainly it is a red candle, but see, most or all of the candles, preceding candles, have got its support level intact. Thus, wait for it to break below 34,300 levels, and below which you can stay short. Possibly we might see the next support at 34,200, which is the stronger support. So if it continues its journey on the downside below 34,300, it stays there for a while. Certainly one can say that 34,200 and below levels might get achieved. I will look forward to 100 150 levels if it stays below 34,200 levels. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross here. It is looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness here. Coming to the 3 hour charts. Now see, on the 3 hour charts, the candle is open flat. It has to break below these lows. It has to break below 34,300. Then only you can say that the prices are turning bearish. Else, you can say that the preceding candle was a swing candle. It has formed higher lows. It can also show you good swings. Thus, once it stays beyond 34,400, one has to stay bullish here. Beyond 34,400, do not think of selling. US30, we may look at 34,500 levels today itself, and beyond 34,500, more bullishness is going to be. But if you look at the charts, the 20 period moving average sitting at 250, very strong support there, and then 202, very strong support on the downside. Stochastic looking down. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to 4 hour chart. Now look at 4 hour charts. See, 4 candles getting an upward push, bigger tails on the downside. This candle, I will wait. If it breaks below 34,300, that is the point of time you can confirm that the bears are back in US30. Else, as long as 34,300 is respected, do not treat this as bearish here. And in fact, once 34,300 is breached, we can look forward to 250 and 200. 200 is a greater support zone. See, too much of divergence of price from the moving average calls for it to converge. The stochastic looking down, MACD is trying to converge, staying bearish. RSI is looking down. Coming to the day. Now, on the daily chart, see, one point here is higher highs. Higher highs suggest 34,440 levels. So thus 400, 440 is the first resistance zone for US30 today. Once 440 is breached, directly it will lend to 34,500 and then towards 34,560, 600 will be seen. Right now, if you look at the preceding two highs, we can say preceding candle, higher highs, lower lows. The lows for the day could be even at around 34,100 levels. Yes, it can breach below 34,200 and show you the swings. Thus, if you see the price is staying below 34,300, stay short. 250, 200, two support levels. Below 200 is where the bears will be taking over. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish. It has shown very good candles, very big bullish candles here. Possibly we may see a little convergence. And RSI is flat. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 300 and buy at 400. Above 400, you can still wait for it to stay above 440 for confirmation of bullishness. Beyond 440 is where the bulls will take over. And on the downside, below 34, see, if it stays beyond 34,440, we can look forward to 500, 560 and 600 as a three resistance levels on the upside. On the downside, below 300, directly it will lend to 34, 250, 260 zone and then 200 as the major milestone. Breaking below 34, 200, stay short, stay bearish for 100, 150 levels. The next support zone here below 100 is where the bears will be taking over. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Join my VIP signals channel. Join my free Telegram channel, and yes, you can be part of my webinar as well. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries, or you can email me or telegram me, or else you can find the details at my platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.